What if I told you that Wall Street is no longer controlled only by hedge funds, banks, and billionaires? What if I told you that regular people, retail investors, are now powerful enough to move the entire US stock market? This is not a prediction. This is already happening. From meme stocks, to AI stocks, to sudden market crashes and rallies, retail investors are changing how Wall Street works, forever. In today's video, we're going to break down who retail investors really are, how they gain so much power, why Wall Street is scared, and what this means for your money and the future of the stock market. Let's begin. The turning point. What changed? Three major things changed everything. Commission-free trading. Before 2015, every trade cost money. Now, you can trade for free, instantly, from your phone. This opened the market to millions of new investors. Through social media and online communities. Platforms like Reddit, Twitter, X, YouTube, Discord allowed investors to share ideas, expose short positions, move together as a group. Information that was once locked on Wall Street became public. COVID and stimulus money. During the pandemic, millions stayed home. Interest rates dropped to zero. Stimulus checks hit bank accounts. A new generation of investors was born. And then came the moment that changed history. GameStop and the meme stock revolution. In early 2021, something unbelievable happened. A struggling company called GameStop suddenly exploded. Why? Because retail investors discovered that hedge funds were heavily shorting it. So retail investors did something new. They bought together. The stock skyrocketed. Hedge funds lost billions of dollars. Wall Street was shocked. For the first time ever, retail investors defeated powerful institutions publicly. This moment sent a clear message. Retail investors are no longer powerless. Why Wall Street is actually worried. Wall Street doesn't fear losses. Wall Street fears loss of control. Here's why retail investors scare them. Unpredictable behavior. Retail investors don't always follow traditional models. They buy dips aggressively, hold through volatility, ignore fundamentals sometimes. This breaks Wall Street algorithms. Faster reactions. Retail investors move instantly. News drops. Social media reacts. Stocks move in minutes. Institutions are slower. Crowd power. One retail investor is small. Millions acting together? That's massive power. This has increased. Volatility. Sudden rallies. Unexpected crashes. The market feels wild because it is. Retail investors and AI stocks. Today, retail power is most visible in AI stocks. Companies like Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, Microsoft. Retail investors chase AI hype, buy aggressively on dips, push valuations higher. AI isn't just driven by fundamentals. It's driven by belief. And retail investors are the biggest believers. This is why AI rallies are explosive. Corrections are violent. Retail money amplifies every move. The dark side of retail power. But let's be honest. This power comes with risks. Mean emotional trading. Fear and greed spread faster than facts. Retail investors often panic sell, overbuy tops, follow hype blindly, overconfidence. Many new investors believe this time is different. The market eventually teaches lessons. Institutions still have advantages. Big players still have better data, faster execution, deeper pockets. Retail investors have power, but not immunity. What smart retail investors do differently. The smart retail investor controls emotions, focuses on long-term trends, understands risk management. They don't try to beat Wall Street daily. They adapt. The stock market doesn't reward noise. It rewards patience. Final message: the future of Wall Street. Retail investors are not a trend. They are a permanent force. Wall Street will never return to what it was. The future of the stock market will be faster, more volatile, more retail-driven. And the question is not, can retail investors win? The real question is, will you trade emotionally or intelligently? If you want more deep insights on stock market psychology, retail versus Wall Street, smart investing strategies, make sure to subscribe and like this video, because in this market, knowledge is the real edge.